Hello viewer, today I will discuss you about the plumbing tools. Please, I request you all to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go to the topics. So first is GI adjustable die. Second is pipe bender. Third is oil can. Fourth is safety tools. 5 number hacksaw. 6 number types of hammer. So first types as cross pen hammer. Second types as rubber hammer. 7 number types of file. So first types flat file. Second number square file. Third number half round file. Fourth number round file. 8th number tri-square. 9th number torch. 10 number spirit lever or hand level. 11 number spanner seat. 12 number measurement tape. 13 number screwdriver. So first types flat screwdriver and second is star screwdriver. 14 number is caliper. So first types of inside caliper and second number outside caliper. 15 number is chisel set. 16 number is Allen key. 17 number is GI PEX die. 18 number is 50R cutter. If you don't know the meaning of GI and PPR, I have already made video on it and I will send the link in the description and you must watch it. So 20 number is copper pipe cutter. So 21 number is vernier caliper. 22 number is 5 wrench. 23 number is GI pipe cutter. 24 number is tape set. 25 number is monkey plier. 27 number is adjustable wrench. 28 number is micrometer. 29 number is drill machine. 30 number is grinder. 31 number is PPR fusion machine. 32 number is 5 vice. Video lasting, I request all that my channel must subscribe. Thank you guys.